My 2014 Malibu. It's like a bomb back there. I mean, y'all can't really see it because I ain't got the flash on, but a lot of stuff back there. Custom board. No, all this is old. I did this like 3 years ago. I don't know why I'm making an updated video on my Malibu, but it's a 14. Got the WeatherTech mats in there. Yeah, it's a little dirty, but I don't care. What I really want to show y'all, because my other video got deleted. Now, this is the LS version. See what I got installed? A tablet. So when you cut the car on, automatically comes on. Charger, everything, it automatically charges when the car's on and whatnot. I can play all type of stuff. See, I'm not gonna play no music because, you know, it'd be copyrighted and stuff, but yeah, this is a 2014 Malibu. Had this for about 3 years. Still decent mileage on it. Cause, you know, I Uber and Lyft out this car, and I get so many compliments and tips just cause my car is nice. You know, I push this button and it automatically like syncs with the tablet for Bluetooth or any device that I have, but for this instance it's a tablet. Yeah, just a regular Galaxy Samsung tablet. Can play whatever, Pandora, whatever, music. Got all type of stuff on here. And I literally got a tablet called Uber and Lyft. I mean a playlist called Uber and Lyft. So yeah, man. I mean, it's a 14 Malibu, but everybody keeps saying, this is one of them new Malibus. No, this ain't no new Malibu. This model and the 15, and then they changed it to a depressed catfish. But yeah.